The Great Depression, you woke up rich in the morning and went to bed bankrupt at night. There was no war, no warning, just a single collapse. $200 billion evaporated, and America was dragged into a decade of hunger and dust. So, what happened? Let's rewind. 1922. The war is over. The mustaches are strange. The economy is enjoying itself. Factories no longer produce tanks. They produce toasters. Refrigerators bury ice boxes in history. New York reaches for the sky. Jazz music is everywhere. Loud, complex, and everyone loves it. People believe the good days will last forever. Henry Ford steps onto the stage, the moving assembly line. 12 hours of production drops to 90 minutes. Cars flood the streets. Automobile demand explodes. Oil, steel, rubber. The American economy isn't growing. It's shifting into a higher gear. Cities are having fun. Cities are glowing. Electricity, luxury, radios. In 1929, 10 million homes have radios. But rural America, it can't even get onto the dance floor. Farmers go into debt. They buy tractors, not to survive, but to sink faster. America discovers a new hobby, buying things it can't afford. A radio, on installments. A car, on installments. A ridiculous company stock, definitely on installments. Banks give credit to everyone. If you have a pulse, that's enough. The financial world says, I don't know you, but let's get married. The stock market, Disneyland for adults. $10 buys a $100 stock. The rest is debt? Forget it. This is the future. Even barbers give stock tips. Shoe shiners sell investments. Between 1924 and 1929, the Dow Jones quadruples. Profits? Forget it. The chart is going up. That's enough. Invisible cracks. Holding companies buy the shares of other holding companies. Underneath, nothing. Economists warn, a collapse is coming. No one listens. Jazz is too loud. Money is too bright. The economy throws a party at the edge of a cliff. The ground, no one is looking. Black Tuesday, October 29th, 1929. America woke up rich in the morning and went bankrupt at night. The market collapsed. Numbers turned blood red. Phones wouldn't stop ringing. People fainted. $14 billion vanished. In today's money, $200 billion. Homes, savings, dreams, all gone. The Roaring Twenties didn't end. They crashed into a wall. And this was only the beginning, because the real darkness had not yet arrived.